now in the Minecraft. Of course, I'm super lagging because I am recording a video. Also, don't notice the lag. This is a say of the first video of the intro. First we need to crouch, of course, because if we have to need, I have to need to use a ladder to climb up. We have to need a trapdoor only. Yes, this is hard because lag. I got the focus of the game. I have to build this a storage room and a bedroom. So, and we need in this part one to build another house over here. Let's go sleep first, and I will show you the first SMP on my video if in the house are finished building. If you don't, if you don't, if you not to subscribe, please, you need to subscribe. We have to help other people because I already play Roblox. If someone to subscribe, I will give some Robux. Let's see. And have to reach on 10k likes. If gonna reach on this video 10k likes, I will blow on this tree house. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna fall. Ha! I'm gonna stress up the lagging. Hello, Mr. Builder. Nope, nope. Run. Because this is not gonna really not that easy. This is not easy mode. This is hard mode. Sorry. Oh, you need to listen my said. You have to need to like and comment down below what channel we don't we do you need in the next video. That's all what that is all the view, but don't waste many time because we need to chop many wood. It's hard because it's hard to speak English because I am Filipino. Kaya magta-Tagalog na lang ako. Huwag na po kung bakit sabihin niyo pong ba't di na lang po kung mag-Tagalog lupang kasi alam ko po may manonood na American o English hindi na po maintindihan. Kasi po meron po akong isang world kasi may world po akong isa na Doon po talaga ang aking totoong pagka-SMP ko o fake SMP. Kasi po ito ginagawa ko pong the second server. Have to collect wood and back on the house. Let's buy. Hello, Mr. Good. Wandering trader. We need to build a bibili po tayo ng bahay dito, pandan dito. Para po kapag po meron po kami makuling villager, pwede po namin ipukulong. Mahilig lang po bahay. Yun po sakto lang sa kanya. Two blocks away. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, this is super small. Don't worry. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng backup ganyan. Meron akong raan yan. 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yun po ang ating farm. Nakatira po ako sa farm. Ay, Your Honor, nakatira po ako sa farm. Let's do finish this. Para matapos ng busin na video na to. Tara na. Natapusin na natin. Oops, nahulog. Hindi ako na-take damage. Okay. Okay, pwede na. Pwede mo nang gawin padaan. O, hindi na. Hindi ko nagagawin daanan niya. Ano na, naglalag na ulit. Pag-bibilisan na ulit. Bilisan na siya, naglalag ulit. Mag-comment down below kung nanood kayo. Mag-comment down below pala guys kung nanood na kayo ng pagkatapos nung pinaurin ang Inside Out 2. Okay? Hindi muna ako magsalita. Joke lang. Biro lang yun. So, ang gagawin ko guys. Hanggang matapos ito. Kasi may gagawin ko kasi pinagano ko muna. Hanggang nasot ako. I-jump ko yun. pupunta dito. Nandito na ako. At meron po kayong masamang napansin dito sa video, comment nyo lang po. At di po maganda. Comment nyo lang po. Huwag po kayo mahihiya. Bago lang po. Yung po sinabi ko po, pulis po, subscribe mo po kayo. Kasi ng hanggang palapasin lang po natin ng alam nyo na pong 10k likes hanggang makuha lang po ako ng isang silver isa lang pong button. Ito po talaga ang bahay ng mga villager. Tanggapin nyo na po. Okay. Uy. Kailangan na po ito. Nagagawa tayo ng ganito. Okay. Oops, wala pa palang bubunga. At ilang araw rin natin yan magkakaroon tayo ng mga sapat. May part 2 yan darating. Hintayin nyo na lang. Sorry po sa sobrang lag. Yun, baka minsan itong video rin po papunta ko po ang aking isang world. Ito po ang ating pangalawang world. Hindi ko pa po napakita ano po sa first ko. Hindi po, aalis na po ko at don't forget po na like and subscribe para po tuloy-tuloy po tayo sa paggawa ng ibang video at